there, and welcome to Frequently Asked Fridays. My name is Sarah, and I'm here today with iHealth Brokers to answer, you guessed it, some of your most frequently asked questions. And today's question is, what's the difference between an HMO and a PPO? First, I want to say we've got a whole video dedicated to this if you want further detail on YouTube, but I'm just going to give you a brief rundown. So if you're in the open enrollment period, either through your employer or you're looking into some kind of marketplace plan, you're probably looking at different options and you probably feel the pressure, I've got to get this done now, but I need to make the right decision because I'm going to be stuck with it for a year. And very often the decision that you have to make is HMO or PPO. So what's the difference and why is one more expensive than the other? Well, the HMO is the Health Maintenance Organization and the PPO is the Preferred Providers Organization. Basically, it all comes down to cost versus convenience. PPOs are generally speaking going to be a little bit more expensive as far as those monthly premiums are concerned, but they're going to be more convenient. HMOs will have lower monthly premiums, but they may be a little bit more difficult to navigate. So here's what I mean by this. With your insurance provider, your carrier, you're going to have a network of doctors that work with your insurance company. With an HMO, you have to see an in-network doctor, or you're going to be responsible for the entirety of the costs. With a PPO, you have a little bit more flexibility. If you see an in-network doctor, it'll cost you less, but if you need to see an out-of-network doctor, maybe a specialist, then there will still be some type of coverage. Additionally, with an HMO, you have to have a preferred physician, and any specialist visits have to be orchestrated through that preferred physician, through some type of referral. With a PPO, you don't have to worry about that. You can go see whoever you want without having to call your doctor and deal with it. So like I said, it really is cost versus convenience. PPO will be a little bit more expensive, but a lot more convenient. HMOs will be a little bit less expensive, but maybe a little bit more inconvenient. The only caveat there with the cost is, again, that in-network versus out-of-network. If you need to see somebody that's out-of-network and you're on an HMO, even though your monthly premiums may be lower, that may be totally thrown out the window if you've got to pay full price for an out-of-network doctor. If you have any questions, you can reach us here at iHealth Brokers at 888-851-0181. If not, we'll see you next Frequently Asked Friday. Bye-bye.